like there were a bunch of acquisitions. I'm like, I don't get it. And then suddenly it's like, oh, they're looking at material science down at the chemical level. Okay, now I see how it all fits. So that, I wonder if that's some of it, but again, I don't know. Am I seeing something there?
No, I think you're right. They do a lot of tuck-in, lots and lots of small tuck-in acquisitions rather than, they do the huge ones, but they usually do the huge ones when they're going after a new market or a new industry, like metadata, BioVia.
Right.
But they do hundreds. Well, you can see my infographic, but there's literally, I don't know if it's hundreds, but dozens of smaller ones that are just filling in some tech gap where they can expand CATIA and Innovia and everything. Because I think to answer part of your question in terms of the frontier, the thing about PLM is that its definition is moving, right? We started just
that's true.
managing CAD files, and then we're like, okay, what about change management, and what about configuration management? And by the way, there's requirements. And the definition of PLM is walking all over the definition of MES and ERP, and even some attempts have been to walk over the feet of CRM as well. So I think that's one of the dynamics. I would say that Dassault has. I'd say one danger, though. I don't know if you guys saw that there was talk of Apple acquiring Mistral.
Oh,
there was talk of that. It would be a huge acquisition by Apple, but Apple is so far behind. Siri is just Apple Intelligence as well, a bit of an oxymoron at this point. But I mean, they've been ahead on so many things, but they're not ahead on the AI point.
No.